Dear scholars, hello lovely scholars. With wholehearted wishes from Utkarsh classes, your mentor Mahendra Kumar Sharma welcomes you with open arms. And here comes on the screen, which you have been continuously asking, which you wanted to come across, what is the status of term 1, term 2, and all those questions. And here comes your revised syllabus for the session 2021 to 22 for term 1 and term 2, and the time when it comes about the syllabus and its categorizations within term 1 and term 2, the first category that will belong to term 1. As you can find over here, there will be reading section, the same with a passage solving, and there will be two passages. One will be factual, another one will be based upon case based, and some I think some pictorial based questions will be over there, and it will be consisting of your category 10 marks. That means 5. It comes about two passages and there will be 5 marks. Okay, reading comprehension task for the term 1 will be catering you 10 marks. Then it comes about writing section. There will be letter writing, and of course we have discussed every aspect of letters, but specifically there are some specific genres like letters to the editor, business letters and official letters that we have discussed specifically about the complaining of something. कोई defected piece हो गया या कोई ऐसी चीज हो गई है, ये सब हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. That means when it comes about letters, there will be letter writing specifically in the genre of editors, business and official letters, and there will be one question that will be getting you 5 marks. So combined weighing of reading and writing, that will be giving you 15 numbers and 15 questions. Okay, next it comes about your grammatical section. Again, the term 1 that will be wholly based upon MCQs. Look at here, over here, this will be totally based upon MCQs. That means throughout all the categories, these two passages, they will be consisting of questions within MCQ forms. And then it comes about writing. Of course, writing task, letter writing will also be assessed in the MCQ form that we will be discussing again. It comes about grammatical sections. There will be tenses, modals, subject verb concord, determiner, reported speeches, that means request and statements and questions. These all 5 sections, they will be consisted of 5 questions and they will be getting you 5 marks. And then to what will be there? MCQs. There will be MCQs, completely MCQs. But it's not that much of late, as the students were asking yesterday. How letters will come in MCQ form, that we will be discussing. Of course, there will be some specific parameters of assessing a letter writing. Okay. Now it comes about your first flight, and the chapters are A Letter to God, Long Walk to Freedom, 2 Stories About Flying, From the Diary of Anne Frank, and The 100 Races Part 1 and Part 2. And when it comes about poems, there will be Dust of Snow, Fire and Ice, A Tiger in the Zoo, and then a bowl poem. And then the ball poem. Then it comes about your supplementary reader, Footprints Without Feet, and there will be A Triumph of Surgery, The Thief's Story, and Footprints Without Feet. And then it comes about question 20 questions that will be getting you 20 marks. That will be getting you 20 marks. अब जब बात करते हैं हम सेकेंड टर्म की, जो पूरा का पूरा डिस्क्रिप्टिव बेस्ड होगा और कुछ एमसीक्यू बेस्ड होगा, देन इट कम्स अबाउट सेकेंड टर्म, जो पूरा का पूरा डिस्क्रिप्टिव और एमसीक्यू बेस्ड होगा, जहां पर पैसेज सॉल्विंग होगा आपका. अगेन देयर विल बी 2 पैसेजेस एंड दैट विल बी गेटिंग यू 10 मार्क्स. Then it comes about your writing section, जिसमें letter of order and inquiry, वही official letters, उसमें complaints है, इसमें order और इसमें inquiry आ रही है आपकी. Then analytical paragraph, जो इमेज वाले पैराग्राफ होते हैं जिनमें इंफॉर्मेशन होती है, that will be the part of your second term. That means this time there will be choice between the 2 topics. आपको चॉइस दी जाएगी. There will be 2 questions, उसमें से एक को ऑप्ट करना है, या तो लेटर्स ऑप्ट कर लो आप, या फिर अपना एनालिटिकल पैराग्राफ जो है उसको ऑप्ट कर सकते हो. ठीक है. अब that will be giving you, because there is only 1 question to be opted out of 2, so it will be getting you 5 marks. कितने मार्क्स? 5 नंबर का. Then it comes about grammar. Grammar will be, again, tenses will be there, modals will be there, subject verb concord again will be there, determiner will be there, reported speech will be there, and request statements they will be there based upon 5 questions. And again, they may be with the editing of passage solving somewhere, MCQ forms, the guidelines will be sent again also. And then आपकी फर्स्ट फ्लाइट जो कंपल्सरी रीडर है, there will be the remaining chapters, glimpses of India, Madam writes the bus, the sermon at Banaras, and the proposal, that is actually a play. When it comes about footprints without feet, then the making of a scientist, the necklace, the hack driver, and Bholi. These 4 chapters again will be incorporated, of course. Okay, then it comes about your poems, Amanda, animals, the tale of the custard dragon, and the remaining ones are totally deleted. They will be again consisting of 20 questions and it will be total 40 marks. So your term second, that will be catering you 40 marks, and when it comes about your term 1, that will also be catering you 40 marks. How many marks? 40 marks. Then it comes about the specific topics which are not incorporated, जिनको delete कर दिया गया है, जिनको delete कर दिया गया है. Look it here. Mishbil the otter, the trees poem, fog. The 2 are poems. Even this is also poem, and how to tell is also poem. These 1, 2, 3 and 4, these 4 poems हैं जिनको हटा दिया गया है. They are not I would say to you to be assessed this time. And when it comes about Mishbil the chapter, ये आपका chapter हटा दिया गया है. Then footprints without feet. The midnight visitor will not be coming. A question of trust will not be asking. A book that saved the earth. Even these 3 chapters, they will be, of course. That means there will be a specific categorization of term 1 as well as term 2. Term 1, 40 marks, total MCQ based. Term 2, 40 marks, total descriptive besides MCQ based. So I hope you could be able to be acquainted with the precise way, in what way the questions will be raised, in what way the assessment of your new syllabus will be raised. So I hope it can be able to help you out.